In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, gadgets have become an integral part of our daily lives. They enhance our productivity, provide entertainment, and help us stay connected. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking for tools to improve your everyday life, here's a roundup of gadgets you'll absolutely want to own. But before that, smash that like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can never miss our upcoming updates. Now, let's explore the gadgets you'll want to own. Number 1. Mesmaglobe Liquid. Mesmaglobe is a mesmerizing desk toy crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum. While stationary, it looks like a simple metal orb with an engraved helix. But when spun, it creates a hypnotic liquid metal effect, as the helix appears to ripple outward. Ideal for creators, makers, and thinkers, it helps boost focus, relieve stress, and inspire imagination. Perfect for staying relaxed and focused during work or brainstorming. Number 2. BMG Bullet Bur Puzzle. This bullet burr puzzle uses 6 unique PLA plastic pieces with a metallic look, combining parts from bullet burr 1 and 2. Easy to disassemble yet challenging to reassemble, it requires both dexterity and balance. Lightweight and intriguing, it's a great conversation starter and desk toy that puzzle enthusiasts will enjoy. Number 3. Wowstick Pen Drill. Completing DIY projects requires the right toolkit, and the Wowstick hand drill is an excellent choice for drilling small holes in materials like resin, plastic, wood, cardboard, and aluminum. Designed for practicality, this cordless lithium-ion drill resembles a pen, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and casual users. Weighing only 1.6 ounces, 46 grams, the Wowstick is compact and portable, allowing you to easily carry it to any workspace. Number 4. Keymart Key Holder. The Keymart Key Holder is a revolutionary tool for effortlessly organizing and accessing your keys. Its sleek and compact design can hold up to 8.14 or 22 keys, keeping them neatly organized and easily accessible. It also includes a built-in loop for attaching larger accessories like car keys or fobs. Keymart compact key holders are easy to assemble, no tools required, and hold all of your existing keys. Its ultralight compact body is built with aircraft aluminum frames and stainless steel hardware screws. Number 5. Lever Gear Toolcard Pro. Imagine solving daily problems at a moment's notice. This EDC multi-tool has 24 wrenches, screwdrivers, pry bar, cord cutter, rulers, credit card bottle opener, box opener, camping can opener, and more. This tool won't cut or snag your wallet like other wallet multi-tool cards. The smooth edges let you grip firmly when using the tools. At just 1 ounce and 1.5 millimeters thin, this card multi-tool slips easily into your wallet for everyday carry, so it's there when you need it. Number 6. Formovie Cinema Edge Projector. Unleash cinema magic on the big screen. As a laser TV, Cinema Edge requires minimal space sitting close to a wall. With a 0.23 to 1 throw ratio, it projects a 150-inch screen from just 19.29 inches away, liberating your home theater viewing experience from space constraints. Direct access to Google TV with Netflix means you can watch all your favorite shows and movies straight from your projector, minimizing external devices. Number 7. Inflatable Projector Screen. An inflatable outdoor projector screen is an outdoor screen that uses an air blower to inflate, usually made from durable, weather-resistant materials like PVC or nylon. Quick to set up and take down, it's ideal for outdoor events, including movies and sports. Many models include tie-down points for stability in windy conditions and come in versions with either built-in or external air blowers, making transport and storage easy. Number 8. Projector Stand. The PDS-06 Tripod Projector Stand is an affordable, durable option for presentations. Its adjustable height and single platform make it flexible, while its compact design allows easy transport between venues. Constructed with a strong iron plate and pipe, it supports up to 15 kilograms, making it suitable for various projector sizes, including larger ones. This stand ensures stable setup, helping keep presentations on track. Number 9. WayLuux Z5 Laser Engraver. The WayLuux Z5 is a portable, compact laser cutting and engraving machine perfect for family use. Unlike traditional bulky laser machines, it's easy to take anywhere. This all-metal handheld device features dual light sources, 455 nanometers and 1064 nanometers, using advanced light compression technology for pro-level engraving on non-metallic materials. With the WayLuux Z5, you can achieve professional precision anytime, anywhere. Number 10. Digital Voice Recorder. This digital voice recorder offers 64 gigabyte storage, expandable to 128 gigabytes, and 20 hours of continuous recording, perfect for lectures, meetings, and study. With DSP noise reduction, a sensitive condenser mic, and a hi-fi chip, it captures ultra-clear audio. Hi-fi speakers provide excellent playback, while auto-saving protects files under low battery. Transfer files easily to a computer via USB cable or card reader for convenient file management. Number 11. Coola 30 Mini Cam. The Coola 30 Audi is a car key-shaped voice recorder featuring a compact portable design, 67 by 30 by 8 millimeters, for easy carrying. It offers one-click recording for quick use, doubles as a U-disc for TF card reading, and includes time memory for organized files. With file encryption for privacy, it resembles an Audi car key, offering a sleek and discreet look that fits seamlessly into any environment. Number 12. Bloom Homegrown Superfood. Enhance your health routine with Bloom, growing fresh spirulina right on your countertop. This nutrient-rich microalga boosts immunity with protein, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Bloom offers pure spirulina with 70% fewer emissions, without the unpleasant taste of store-bought powders. Simply add water, a nutrient tablet, and live spirulina to each pod. And in 5 days, Bloom's app will notify you when it's ready to harvest. Number 13. ThinkLabs One Digital Stethoscope. The ThinkLabs One digital stethoscope is an advanced, compact device designed for medical professionals with hearing loss. It includes stereo earphones for non-hearing aid users and can connect with premium headphones like Bose or Beats. It features a ThinkLink interface for recording sounds on mobile devices or computers, 5 sound filters, and a rechargeable battery lasting up to 250 minutes. A 2-year manufacturer warranty is included. Number 14. Transformers Earbuds. Open-ear headphones offer ergonomic comfort with breathable, open design, reducing discomfort during long wear. They enhance safety by allowing ambient sounds, so users stay aware of their surroundings. With dual modes for music and gaming, they provide versatile use, allowing seamless switching between activities without removing the headphones, ideal for both social and work settings. Number 15. Charging Station with Clock. This versatile 3-alarm clock caters to varied wake-up times for you and your child. With a sleek mirror design, it doubles as a makeup mirror and offers adjustable brightness for day and night. Compact and portable, it fits bedside tables or desks, making it ideal for travel. Its LED display shows time, temperature, and date. Number 16. Maarmi SGN7. The Maarmi SGN7 keyring torch offers 550 lumens from a Cree XPG 2S4 LED, powered by a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Ideal for everyday carry, it attaches to keys for easy access. A 120 decibel alarm activated by a separate switch adds a self-defense feature, allowing quick alerts when needed. Micro USB cable included. Number 17. Maarmi FL10. The Maarmi FL10 is a versatile carabiner clip featuring a powerful 360 lumen torch powered by a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. It charges via a convenient micro USB port, ensuring power when needed. Alongside the light, the FL10 includes a bottom bezel for self-defense, a bottle opener, and a hook for attaching to key rings or paracord. This durable clip easily connects to keys, accessories, or clothing for daily use. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you found some must-have gadgets to add to your collection. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.